afternoon, Anderson's class. 5-3 multiply mixed numbers. Can you multiply mixed numbers?
Yes.
All right, what are those things that help us reduce fractions called? All right, I have 4 questions here for you. Can you calculate with mixed numbers? No, you may never do that. Can you answer with improper fractions? Nope, you can never answer with improper fractions. Can you answer with mixed numbers?
Yes.
Can you calculate with improper fractions?
Yes.
Okay, you got it. Around the world, I'm going to skip that one. You guys know that. Let's read the number 5 together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
You must always convert mixed numbers into improper fractions before calculating.
Which is what you just told me. Okay, to solve fractions using multiplication, I'm going to add that in there. To solve fractions using multiplications, we multiply the numerator by numerator, and we put it over top of the
denominator.
and then reduce if you have to, right?
Yes.
Okay. On the count of 3, let's read number 7. 1, 2, 3.
Don't you dare even think about finding common denominators when multiplying fractions.
2/3 and 4/5. Are the denominators the same?
No.
Do we care?
No.
No, we just simply multiply straight across whether the denominators are the same or not, right?
Yes.
We have a 1 2/3 times a 2 1/4. What do I have to do before I can calculate? Around the world. So there you can see we converted into impropers, right?
Yes.
Okay. Problem number, this one right here, the last one. We have a gigantic problem. We have 6 3/9 times 4 3/4. In this example, we just did around the world first, right?
Yes.
We ended up taking 1083 and dividing it by 36 to get our final answer, yes?
Yes.
But in this problem over here, before we even did around the world, what did we do? What do you see us doing here? You're simplifying. So we simplified 6 3/9 down to 6 1/3, right?
Yes.
And then we did the math from there.
Yes.
And then once you did the math, you ended up with 361 over 12, which I think is easier than 1083 over 36. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Good?
Yes.
Simplify